Professional discipline is the process by which regulators and professional bodies take action against the registration of their members. That may be in relation to matters in their professional life, such as poor or deficient performance, workplace misconduct, dishonesty, or it may be matters in their private lives which impact upon the reputation of their profession or their suitability to remain a member of that profession. Newly or recently qualified professionals face the full range of disciplinary issues, the same as professionals of any seniority. But in our experience of acting for more junior members of professions, there are some issues which appear to be more prevalent. They include failure to make adequate progress in training programs, serious errors which lead to adverse outcomes, and lifestyle issues such as misuse of social media, issues with recreational drugs, and also, regrettably, issues surrounding mental health due to the pressures of working in a very demanding profession. We always advise our clients to engage fully with their regulators. Failing to do so can often serve to aggravate matters, particularly if a professional fails to answer a reasonable request for information or documentation. Full engagement throughout a case serves to demonstrate insight and demonstrates to a regulator that a professional is taking the case seriously. We also advise our clients to seek specialist advice right from the outset. There are important tactical decisions which are often made right at the start of an investigation which can shape the complexion of the whole case and have a significant impact on the overall outcome. So specialist advice at the early stages can often prove invaluable. Each case tends to follow two principal stages. Firstly, the investigation, and secondly, adjudication, which is the formal hearing. And it's important to note that not all cases go to a final hearing. There's a lot of work that can be done during the investigation stage to try and bring a case to a conclusion there. And the majority of our cases are concluded at that stage. Where a case is referred to a formal fitness to practice or professional conduct hearing, there is a lot of work that needs to be done in preparation for that hearing to give a professional the best possible chance of securing the best outcome at the hearing. A lot of our clients are junior professionals right at the start or in the early stages of their careers, and we often find that they're anxious to conclude matters as swiftly as possible. There are opportunities to conclude cases in the early stages, and we always advise our clients where those opportunities arise. But it's important to note that it's not always in a client's best interest to seek early resolution. In many cases, we advise our clients that the allegations can and should be defended, and it's in their best interest to prolong matters, but to contest it at a formal hearing. The sanction powers that regulators and professional bodies have are wide-ranging. They include warnings and reprimands, and in more serious cases, suspension or striking off, which is removal from the profession altogether. So for a junior professional facing a regulatory or disciplinary action, it can be daunting and overwhelming, because if the most serious of sanctions are imposed, well, that's going to bring someone's career to an end before it's really begun. And that's why it's vitally important to seek specialist advice if you find out that you've been referred to your regulator or professional body. Stephensons has extensive experience of dealing with professional disciplinary at work, and we have experience of acting for professionals at all levels. We draw upon this wide-ranging experience to tailor our advice and our approach to a specific client's need, having regard to all circumstances of their cases, including their seniority, including the issues that they face, and including the evidence that's been presented against them. We will draw on that experience to guide you through the regulatory process, give you sensible and pragmatic advice right from the outset.